Hello friends, Santosh this side. Have you ever received a data from your boss or from any of your colleagues or from your clients in the form of an image? And in order to process the data further, you need to import the data from the image to Excel spreadsheet ever? And have you ever ended up in importing the data manually? Like in this case, you have this information and you type like this, like name, subject 1, subject 2, like this, and enter the data manually. Then there is a new update from Microsoft. Okay, for that you have to go to data menu, click on pictures, from pictures, picture from file, select the sample data image in the location. You will get the similar this type of interface where the informations will be captured by the system, and if there is information which Excel is not able to recognize, it will be highlighted over here. In this case, this is the cell. It will highlight which cell is it referring to. Here you see it is in case of subject, J is not recognizable by the system, so it has given us the option to change it. So we'll select J, subject 1, click on accept. For subject 2, same case, accept. Subject 3, accept. This case January, accept. And let's check if there is any other data. Yeah, in July, accept, and nothing else. Let us insert the data over in this cell in G10. Click insert data. Yes, insert data. See, the data is here. Okay, thank you.